Hi guys, we are continuing to design a bot for an accounting system in healthcare application using BluePrism RPA. So in the last video we have created like a collection as well as we have created an Excel sheet, and now we have a data and we have it has like 10 records. Then save it and copy the path. And to import data from Excel to BluePrism, so we need to download a MS Excel VBO. So to File, Import, Browse, and select MS Excel VBO. Click on Next, then finish it. And let me open the business object. Go to Accounting System. So drag and drop on action stage. Then select MS Excel VBO and select an action like a create instance. Then go to output and then click on handle. Assign a name for this one, create instance. And drag and drop on one more action stage. Select MS Excel VBO. Then use an action. Open workbook and drag and drop handle number. Assign a path. So workbook name. And assign a name for this one like an open workbook. So drag and drop on one action stage and select MS Excel VBO. Then if you would like to view the Excel sheet, then use an action like a show. Drag and drop handle number here. Assign a name for this one, okay, show. So drag and drop on action stage here. Then select an action. Select MS Excel VBO. And then select an action like a get worksheet as a collection. And drag and drop workbook name here. So handler. So worksheet name is sheet 1. You can assign a name for this one, get worksheet as a collection. And here I'm mapping the defined collection to the action like get worksheet as a collection. And then after transfer the data, then we'll close an instance and select MS Excel VBO. then select an action like a close instance. So drag and drop handle number here. So link it. So reset it and then run it. Okay, right. Now the information is transferred to like a collection from Excel to collection. Okay, in the next video we are going to see how to export the data from collection to an application. Thank you for watching. Please stay with us for more videos. Thank you.